Hey guys, this is Gloria. I am back to share with you guys an Alina Crafts haul that I did. I did do some projects, but some of these dies I have not had a chance to do projects on because I've been on vacation and different things like that. So let me share with you guys all of the dies that I picked up, and as well as some paper that I actually picked up, and then I'll show you the projects that I did complete. Just in case you guys wanted to go over, check out the site and go ahead and pick these dies up for yourself. So the first thing that I picked up was this bag die. Right here is the bag handle. And so what you could do is you could just actually just fold in half a piece of paper to make your bag topper, and then you could layer this handle on top of that folded piece of paper, and it'll make it a really cute bag topper handle. Really cute. And then there's these pieces that also can be used like on boxes, and they look like hinges. And then there's this piece as well as this smaller piece up here that can be used on projects as well. It's a really cute die set, so I do like that. The next one that I picked up was this little candy, and it has a bow, and I just really love that bow and the little sucker. The sucker can be turned into a piece of candy without, you know, just by cutting off the stick right here. It also comes with a separate piece for the stick as well, but this is really cute, and it does emboss on there. The next one is this little lantern, and I thought this was really cute and different. Of course, you could, you know, cut this out and put like acetate in the windows and put like some yellow marker behind the acetate to make it look like it's a little glowing lantern. Really cute for summer projects as well as fall projects. I do have a little project in mind because I picked up something today at the sale that I will share with you guys in another video, and I thought it would be really cute with this, so pick that up. I also picked up this. I created some bunny ears on my silhouette cameo, and while I like the bunny ears that I created, the cameo sometimes has a bit of a problem cutting these little intricate parts like right up in here, and so I figured I would go ahead and pick up the dies in order to you know, cut out my little ears and stuff. And I like this because it has some layered parts to it, and so you can also layer your ears, so make, you know, your ears white and the inside pink, and just make a really cute little bunny figure. And for me, bunnies are not just for Easter. I love using bunnies in different projects, and I plan to use this in one of my grandbaby's mini albums. So really cute. And then this one is some floral pieces that once you put them together can create a flower. And so you can use all of these different pieces interchangeably, and you can make tulips and different things like that. So this is great for Mother's Day or just a very feminine card. Really cute. And then this one looks like a little rug, and it has like tassels on it, and it's really cute. I've seen some examples of this cut out and made to look like curtains, which was really cute. It looks like a rug to me, so maybe I'll use it for like a picnic blanket or something like that. I think that would be really cute. But yeah, it comes with 3 pieces. You get the little tassel pieces down here, which could be used for birthdays or whatever, because they're just like little tassel type of pieces. So you get a smaller one, a larger one, and then this big plate right here. And then I got another candy topper. These work great on top of the pretzel bags that you can pick up from Michael's as well as Walmart. I picked mine up from Walmart, which to me they were a little cheaper, but I think it's because there's only 25 in a pack when you pick them up from Walmart. But they fit perfectly on there, so if you want to fill that bag with candy or whatever, and then put this little topper on top, and you can cut this part out of a different color paper, it'll make a really cute bag topper. So I thought that was really cute. This is some of the paper that I picked up, and I don't have the plastic that is normally in. And you know, all of her stuff comes in plastic that says Alina Crafts on there. But this is the paper that I picked up, and I just wanted to try her paper out. It says that it's 160 GSM. I have no idea what that means. It's acid and lignin free, but it's a really pretty paper. You get all of these patterns that you see on the front, and I believe you get 2 of each one. And for me, it feels a little thinner. Let's see. It's about 65-pound weight, maybe a little bit thinner than 65-pound weight, but it's a really nice paper for cards and stuff like that, and layering and stuff. It's not thin like copy paper, but it's not thick like your heaviest cardstock. But these are the papers that I have left, and they coordinate very, very well. She has all kind of different papers on her site, and I just figure I would try out some of the paper and see how it goes. And I like it. I like the way it came out. And these are just some scraps from the paper that I cut. But again, these are all of the patterns that come in the paper pad. Really cute patterns. So next I have this die that I picked up, and it makes like this little bag, and you can make the bag exactly the way it is and put it on the front of a card, or you can make it three-dimensional by cutting out 2 of these and gluing them, you know, the tabs together. And these are all of the little things that you can put on top of the bag to make it all pretty. You can also make this like a little sack with just this little oval piece cut out the top right here. And what I saw one of the ladies do, I saw another video where she took a 1/2-inch strip of paper and she glued it to the front and the back side of the bag, and she made the bag bigger. So I thought that was a great idea. But all I did was I just cut out the bag the way it was, and this is what it looks like cut out. And as you can see, it's a really small bag if you just cut out just 2 of these. So what I did was I cut out 2 of these and 2 of the handles, and then I just glued those together. And so it's just a really, really cute little bag. And I put a little tag on the front, a little bow from my Tim Holtz punch, and then this is a little gem from the Dollar Tree. Really cute. And I just stuck some tissue paper down inside of there. Really, really cute, but not big enough for a gift card at all. So just beware of that. So that one. And then the next one that I picked up was this little box, and it is a little heart box that can be used for a little party favor or something like that, if you want to slip like a mint or something like that down inside of. It has this little closure that closes right down into this little V right here to keep the little box closed. And I'll show you guys what that looks like. Did I drop it? Let's see. Oh, here it is. Slid down. But that is what that looks like. Really, really cute. And this is that paper from Alina Crafts, as well as the little bag that I just showed you. Really, really cute. And this is a flower from my stash that Erica Scrap Diva 29 gave to me. So I'm just trying to use the things that I have. Really, really cute. And like I said, that little flap tucks right down inside of the box. And it's a really small little box, but like I said, you can put like a mint down inside of these and have these like sitting in a bowl for people to just take, or put this inside of like a little gift basket or something like that. So I thought that was really cute. The next one that I picked up is this one here. And this one, it resembles like the holder that for the sucker, like you can put a sucker inside. You can also do what I did, and I'll show you guys what I did with mine. I did this one here, and what I did was I just put some of my homemade sequin mix in the inside. So this is some paper that I printed on my computer, and this is part of the die, which is the heart. This one is a bowl set that I have that I'll share with you guys as well. It's really cute. And then this is a stamp set that I had previously bought from Alina Crafts that just says "Hello Gorgeous," and I really like it because it's really small. And this punch that I use is a tag punch from Martha Stewart to punch that out. But as you can see, I just stuck some sequin down inside of there, and this will be a perfect little gift to give to a crafty friend. I just thought that was really, really cute. So that is one of them that I made. And then the other one that I made was this one right here, and it holds a little sucker. And I just put one of these pieces that I got from Party City on the front that says "Believe in Unicorns," and I just cut it out of some hot pink paper. I thought that was really cute as well. So 2 different ways you can use that die, but I think both of them would be very, very cute. So that is that. And then let's see what we have next. So here's the bowls, and like I said, these bowls I used on this project, and I also used it on another project that I will show you in a minute. But they're just really cute little dainty bowls that you can stick anywhere. Really, really cute. So I picked up that set. The next one that I picked up was this. It's kind of like a wonky squarish rectangle, because it's not all the same size, so I can't call it a square, but it's a really cute set, and I'll share with you guys what I did with that. So the first thing that I did was I made this card, and I really love the way this came out, and I cut the card base out using the largest die in this set, which is this one here. And then the second die here, I used to cut out the paper that I also picked up from Alina Crafts. So it's really, really cute, I think. Very simple card. Of course, I used some tulle from Hobby Lobby up top. This is a stamp from Alina Crafts as well. It says, "I treasure your friendship." And I cut it out. So I fussy cut this out first, and then I used the die to cut out another piece so that I can layer that on top. So I thought that was really, really cute, and I love this little scallop rectangle shape. It's really, really cute. The next one that I'll show you is this one, and it's a baby carriage, and I thought it was really cute as well. And I just cut it out of white paper. I put some gems on the little wheels, and then I used that same rectangle type of scallop to cut out a little tag, and I put some gold, not gold, but yellow American Crafts ribbon at the top. And the paper in the background is from Alina Crafts as well. And I just put some of this trim from the Dollar Tree up top so that I can put it on a bag when I need to. And I can always stamp to and from on the back and just write my name on there and the name of the recipient and give this as a card, as a little tag. So I thought that was really cute as well. The next one that I picked up was this rosette. And in order to make the rosette, before I show you that, I also made this little, this is not a card, it's just a little stand that could stand on your desk or something like that. It's just the front part of a card, really. And what I did was I cut the scallop out as a frame, and I was going to make a shaker out of it, but I was like, I didn't really feel like fussing with it, so I went on and just glued it down to this hot pink paper, and I stamped Just a Creative Type of Girl on the front. This is a pair of shaker eyeglasses that I made a while back, and I had a video on that. And then I put one of those bowls from Alina Crafts on the side of the little glasses. I thought that was really, really cute. So it just stands up just like that. It's just like a little easel on the back, and so it just stands up, and it can just go on your desk or whatever. So I thought that was cute. Now on to this one. This one, I made this is one of my favorite projects that I made. I made another little wand, and so what this die does is it makes a rosette, and you have to cut out 2 of these in order to make this rosette. And I maybe I should have even cut out 3 of them. I'm not exactly sure, but it came out okay. So I was really, really inspired by all of the projects that Civ, Crafty Poodle Mom here on YouTube, have been sharing regarding carousel paper by Maggie Holmes. And on one of the projects that she shared, I believe someone sent her, or no, I think she made it. She made a little, what do you call that thing? Like a carousel horse. And she put like a little pom-pom up top. But I put a pearl on the top of mine, and I wanted it to look like one of those little carousel horses. And I got some stars out of my stash. I made the rosette, and then I put some doilies on the back, and this is a hot pink one, and then I layered a lighter pink one underneath and just kind of staggered it so that you can see both colors. And then these are pearls from Michaels, and they're very pretty, those iridescent, very, very light pink and white pearls. And then I put some trim from my stash from Hobby Lobby as well as from the thrift store onto this. And then this is a straw that I got from Erica, Scrap Diva 29. So I thought this came out super duper pretty. I just love this little straw, this little rosette wand. Love it, love it, love it. But like I say, you would have to cut out at least 2, maybe even 3 to make yourself a full rosette. So that is that one. And then this one, of course, is my trusty stamp set that I picked up, I believe last month, and I've been using it. But it's really cool because it has all these really cute sayings on it. And like I said, they're small enough to fit in the Martha Stewart tag punch, which is really cool. Well, some of them are. Some of them are a little bigger, but this one especially can fit inside the tag. So really cute. So that is about it, guys. That is what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope to be back, if not today, probably tomorrow, because I'm like super tired. I was talking to Jamie earlier today, and I just told her that I was going to go to the gym, but I cannot make it. I had my workout for today, because I did visit the Not Just Sticker sale. And so I want to come back and share with you guys what I was able to pick up on the half off sale. They had a lot of stuff, guys. Oh my gosh. It was way more stuff than I've ever seen. And I've been going to the sale for a long time, for some years. And they had so much stuff. Oh my gosh. And everything was half off on today that was color ticket, or as long as it didn't say no discount, you get half off. So I will be back to share with you guys that, and I also will be back to share with you guys a small little Goodwill haul, as well as a few things that I did pick up from Michaels that I didn't share. So that is about it, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.